So what is Tor? You've heard a lot about that. Maybe you've seen the term, and I'm going to talk as if maybe you've only heard of it but aren't quite sure exactly what it is. So the deep web is accessible most easily through Tor, called the Onion Router Network, which is the reason for the title of this presentation, Cooking with Onions. I want you to think about an onion and its layers, and you've got a message that you want to send, and you wrap a layer around it of encryption. That then goes to another server that gets another layer of encryption wrapped around it. That goes to another layer, another end node, another layer, and continuing. Ideally, at no point in time does any given host or proxy in that process ever understand anything inside of the onion, only the outermost layer that it just added. Then when the onion is peeled back, you can get back to the very core of it, which was the original message that was sent. Another thing is that ideally none of these proxies along the way actually keep a record of the traffic that they forward. That is not always true, and one of the dangers of Tor is that unless you can verify that fact, there could be ways of analyzing backscatter using time delta chains, meaning that since you start from one end and you send traffic to another target, it's going to come, the reply will come back along the same path toward you. But if any packet logging is done in the meanwhile, the time distance from point, say, M to N, and then N to O, and then O to P, for example, that time distance can be correlated with other traffic and eventually pieced together as to what the path actually is. Does that mean that the inside message can be read? Very likely not, but sometimes who is sending the traffic to who and what they're asking for is in itself the data that somebody is after.